for stopping by. This is Caroline Abkar with Windermere Homes and Estates, and your tidbit of the week is actually about performing preventative maintenance on your home. Think about it. How often do you take your car in to service it and maintain it? You probably do, but when it comes to the systems that we have in our house, they don't actually get maintained very often. So today in particular, I want to talk to you about your air ducts. So one thing is getting your furnace and your AC checked, which is important, but at the same time, you might want to consider getting your air ducts professionally cleaned, where basically they come in and they plug a huge fan, and then they suck out all of the particles and the dust, pollen, allergens, anything that's floating around in your ducts will basically be completely flushed out of the system. So that's really important in order to maintain good air quality in your house, and the recommendation is actually to have that done every 2 to 5 years, depending on how much dirt gets collected into your ducts. So if you haven't done that in a long time, it's probably about time that you make a call. There are lots of companies out there that provide this service, and I personally had mine done today, and I couldn't be happier. The air feels cleaner already, and also if you have allergies, again, it's so important that you actually act on it even faster probably. I hope this was helpful, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Bye.